Hi, what's up going on, guys? My name is Lieutenant McLovin, and I've always wanted to start a YouTube channel, and I've always grown up watching YouTube videos, so I wanted to give it a go. I've always been on PlayStation, but today I'm unboxing for my PC. It's gonna arrive on the 9th, but here's all the peripherals and everything to go with it, and I'm excited to do this unboxing on the video. Safe. I went with the K55 RGB. This is a cheaper option, so might as well. It's just starting off. I've never played on PC, so I've never had any interaction with keyboards besides just your computer class. Let's see how this is looking. You got that right there. It's pretty nice packaging, and then again, I've never really handled any PC parts or anything with that. Put this one up here. That's pretty in there. All right, nice little packaging. I'll throw it off to the side. So, here's that little plate for the wrist. Got that right there. Just plastic, but it'll definitely be nice for long sessions. Because I'm thinking about creating a Twitch channel under the same name, Lieutenant McLovin. You want to go follow me on that and watch me on Twitch? Yeah, there's that right there. And it's just plastic around the back. And then just a little manual, warranty guide. It's corded. Nice cord. It's just regular. It's not any longer than I expected, but then again, I've never played on PC. Let's bring that out of there. And it definitely feels nice, and it's got the media controls and then also the macro keys. Yeah, and those keys look pretty nice on the inside. You can see those. Oh yeah. From Corsair. I'll set off that to the side. Alright. Let's get into the next. So I believe this is going to be the mounting arm for my mic. And I also unboxed what I am recording from, which is the UB-size 10-inch ring. I think it was like $39 or something like that. And so far it's been really good. Alright, so first thing out of the box, we have the Cloud 2 HyperX Red. Right there. Let's take that out of here. We got some right here. Let's move this to the side just a bit. You can see. Just opening it up. Open it for you guys. So that's what it looks on the inside so far. Just has HyperX has you covered. Got any issues? Products. Little manual, and then the headset. Reading reviews, I really like this one. Plus, every Twitch streamer seems to have some pair of these. So first thing on top, it was just some extra cushionings. I guess if you get really sweaty or run it too much, so you can replace them, or just different padding. Yeah, these are different padding. These are texture, like cotton, foam, and then these are the leather, which those are them right there. It looks really nice. Yeah, I'm really excited about these. Feel pretty light, and they go all the way around the ears. I heard that there was one bad thing about the wire that isn't too long. So let's take this off. Nice, it isn't a just regular wire. It has some meshing in it. So hopefully it won't tangle up and everything. Won't get all messed up. That's about like 3 feet on there. But just connecting it up to my PC, which my PC is coming in the 9th, and that's going to be the Nexus, the NZXT PC streamer one. So yeah, I'll be nice with that. Put that back in the box, and we'll just set that off to the side. Kind of a nice box just to have it in without using it, because it just goes right back in place, no problems. Alright. Bubble box. Warning. Alright. This is the toner, so this is going to be the mounting arm. Pretty excited about this just because I did get a Wave 3, and recommendation from that was Harris. He's a YouTuber, he's also a streamer, Harris Heller. He really inspired me with that, so I was drawn to the Wave 3 just because it seems like the best for your buck. So there is the pop for that, pop filter. That'll be nice because I didn't buy the pop filter that does come with it. So that'll be nice for me. Just get that out of the way. Alright. Yeah, definitely good packaging for this. This is again the Toner T20 Studio Boom Arm. It's really basic instructions. It's only that. But I mean, it's just an arm to put out, so it shouldn't be that hard. I guess it did come with an extra little boom cover on it, but that will not fit the one that I did get, so it'll probably go to waste. Alright, so taking out the actual arm. And later in the week, I'm going to be building my setup. And also today, I am also going to be getting my table. So I'll be building that today. And I probably won't release that video until after this one publishes. That is just a little clips. And then we got the mounting function. I'll just go on the desk. It is really nice and it's pretty solid metal. What is this? And these are just the arm mount handle. Then we have it's just some plastic. Should have just ripped on accident. That is okay, because that'll go in the trash anyways. Well, here is that shock mount. I don't know how it works, but oh, it my bad. So it is covered with this caution, shipping loaded. But we'll take that off. Alright, set down the knife and close that. So I got that off. There's a little plastic. And we have the arm. So it is just with the springs on the inside. It feels really solid. This feels like a solid arm. It's definitely not going to be falling off. So I'm just going to set this over right about it. Set that over there. And yeah, that's that. Let's just get these boxes out of the way. And then the top filter. filters. Let's get into one of the last ones. This one I'm excited about. This is gonna be the wave mic. So yeah, right on top, you got that. And some bubble packaging. And I also have a mouse in here and a mouse pad as well. Let's get those out of there. I'm gonna save the Wave 3 to the last. Let's just open up the little mouse pad. See how that's rocking. Oh, yeah, right here, I'm gonna take off the tape. And right here. There we go. Got the tape off. Let's close that up. And then we're just gonna a little tab. All right. So yeah, there is that. And I got the extra wide so I can have my mouse and keyboard on it. That's that right there. It's really nice material. So I'm super excited about that. That's definitely gonna be well used. Get that out of the way. And now I got the G502. It was one of the recommended Amazon ones, and it also had a little bit extra features on it, more buttons and stuff. I mean, I've never really used PC, but sooner or later, whenever I can program buttons onto it and just get best use out of my buck. Put that back away, so I don't cut myself. Alright. So this is a wired. There's that. Let's see. Oh, little thing came out. Almost dropped it. Would have been good. But it is definitely packaged well. It's got a little hexagon. Not exactly sure what this is, but we'll find out whenever I start using it. Sorry about that. I got the 20% battery life on that. But yeah, there is that. Definitely feels nice, and I'm really excited about using this. Definitely switching from console, only having the PS4 controller, to this, being able to click really well. But, alright, let's get those out of the way. There is a little box in here with a sticker as well. So, Logitech sticker. I didn't really stay with any brand. I kind of went all on the map because got Logitech, the mouse, got a Corsair mouse pad, Corsair keyboard, and then a toner mic. So, but I mean, I don't think they make the mic holders on that. So, those out of the way, and I'll just throw this boxes off to the right. Alright, now what I'm most excited about is the Wave 3. So let's take that out of the box. And there is that. Yeah, really excited about this. Yeah, Harris Heller was the one that recommended this, and I was looking at it for a while and really wanted to do this. Buy this just because it has its own software and you can program it to do a lot of things, and it's gonna help out a lot with like streaming and other things. Oh, okay, it's just the plastic. My bad. So, like that. This is Elgato, so once I do get a Stream Deck, which I probably won't for a while, it just seems a waste of money to me, but it'll pair with that. Yeah, pops out of the way. Let's a little sleek box with the Elgato logo. And so it's just going to come out the side and pull up. And so we just have the little manual with the software. That's the little download that we have to do right there. You can see that. So this is what it looks like from the inside. This is the wire to connect it. So it's just a USB and then a USB-C connection to the actual Elgato, I'm believing. Just a little manual. And now there is it. I'll take it off the packaging just a second. Ooh, that is heavier than I thought it was gonna be. Definitely nice material. It's got a metal base, so it's gonna be sturdy. He's got just tape on the top, so it's just the Elgato logo is holding that together with a sticker. Get that off to the side. And there is that. Open it on the wrong side, my bad. That's really exciting. I'm really excited to use this. It's definitely solid, all metal. It's gonna be, and that's the USB connection right there with a headphone jack to listen into the audio and be able to hear how it's sounding. So I'm definitely excited about this and definitely excited for whenever I can stream and use it. It's definitely gonna be better than just a little mic like the Cloud 2. But it is what it is. If you have the money to do it, I would definitely recommend the Wave 3. Haven't really used it yet, but heard great things about it, and once I do, I can review it as well. Which I think I'm going to be doing. If you wanted to comment below, have any reviews on any of these things, because I am new to PC gaming, and I've never really experienced it, but we'll see how it goes, you know. And last but not least, have the Asus Tough VG1A series right there, and it's a 165 hertz monitor and with a 1 millisecond response time. So definitely better than anything that you're going to be able to get with just a regular monitor or any other TV. You're going to be able to get this. I mean, I definitely didn't go with the 240 because those are in the high dollar, $400 worth, but you know, it's what I can afford. So, and I'm really blessed with what kind of job I have. I work at Aunt Millie's Bakery, and they're a really great company, really nice to me, and I can afford things now because of them, and I'm very blessed about it. Alright, so we're going to set this down. I'm going to pull it out. Alright, so I'm going to get all these little pieces out first. So we have a little hookup to it with just a power supply. And then we have not just, this is not just one, but two HDMI cords. This is actually LPD. This is definitely an HDMI cord, but this one has a little slanted edge and then a flat edge. So I've never seen that, but I'll have to see what that does. Another cord and the stand mount. So that over this side. Alrighty. There is that. Let me just set this off that as well. It's gonna be a lot of boxes to clean up. Alright, so we're on the back half of the screen. So I'm going to be taking this out by the base of it. That's what it's going to be holding it from. And that is a nice monitor right there. Whew. Yeah, a nice monitor right there. It's flat. I have a curved one as well, so that'll be in my setup as well. But that one only is 60 hertz, so it isn't going to be exactly the bang for the buck. I'm going to just set this right here on one of my chairs. And we're going to get out this so we can set this up, just show you a little bit. This is the only one I'll really interact with. And then cut this one. It's a little bit tighter. This is going on 23 minutes. I love this delay, but got that right there. Base of it, it's got all the little connectors, so it's going to keep it stable. The little rubber connectors. And so we're going to put this down. And just put that right in there. So that's that right there. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.